Good morning, students. I welcome to all of you in this 11th class. This year we are meeting with you virtually on mobile or video. I am NPS Rana and Mr. Naresh sir will take the physics classes in 11th standard. As per the syllabus and book, so NCERT are the best book for the 11th standard, and you may use Newton Physics, Pradeep Physics, Dinesh Physics, and one more SL Arora. So these are the books you can purchase from the market with NCERT. So as the whole course is divided into 10 units, this year due to pandemic coronavirus, the syllabus is reduced by 33%. So the first chapter, that is unit 1, it is divided into 3 or 4 parts. The first part is the physical world and measurement. Second one, the significant figures. Third one is the error analysis. And the next is the dimensional analysis. So these are the things are given in the first unit. So one by one we'll take, and this is unit 1, second one is kinematics and forces, energy, like that. The first chapter, that is physical world and measurement. In the physical world, in the book it is given what is physics. Physics means the nature. Nature, the sky is blue, the plants are green, trees are growing, the human activities, the day and night, formation of day and night, weather, change of weather, etc. So these are the natural phenomena. When we throw a ball, the ball always comes back onto the earth. So these are the natural phenomena. So the study of, or systematic study of the nature, that is called physics. It is the Greek word physics. Now the science. Science you have done in the 8th standard or in the 7th standard, the curiosity or to know. To know about the science or to know about the physics. So it is the curiosity about the nature, that is called physical science. So what is physics? Physics is the nature or physical science to study the physics or physical phenomena happening around us, that is called physics. Now the next topic in this physical world, the different types of physics or sciences, they are taking place. So as concerned to the physics, that is mechanical science, the thermodynamical science, optics, electric current, electromagnetism, and modern physics. So these are different parts of the physics. So here in the 11th standard, we'll study the mechanical part and some thermodynamical part or heat related. Now in this chapter, the next thing, that is the different type of forces. So as per the knowledge, there are 4 fundamental forces. one is gravitational force, second is the electromagnetic force. The electromagnetic force, it comes from electric force and magnetic force. Both are correlated. So it is called electromagnetic force. The third one is the nuclear force or strong nuclear force. So a strong nuclear force, the force or interaction between the nucleons like proton and neutron, when they come very close of about the distance 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. So that interaction or that type of force, that is called strong nuclear force. Now the next is weak nuclear force. Weak nuclear force. So this weak nuclear force, this is also between the nucleons. Whenever one nucleon converts into the another nucleon, so the interaction taking place, that is called the weak nuclear force. And afterwards there is the applications and it is used for the society. So this is all about given in the first chapter, fundamental physical world. Thank you. यार जीव जो है लगा मार रहा है।
सर होता है सर, गलती हो रही है, हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
परफेक्ट आदमी बात है।
अब वो हमसे कट कॉपी पेस्ट आता नहीं कि ये निकाल दिया और आगे बढ़ा
ना वो आता है।
आता है।
हाँ निकालूंगा मैं अभी।
तुम मेरे को बताना फिर कल।
हाँ कल